Do you want to capture exactly what's on your laptop screen in seconds? Now, let me show you two easy ways to take a screenshot on your PC or your laptop. Now, the first way is to what? Press your window key on your keyboard and type sniping tool. Now, it's going to show you the sniping tool app. This app comes ready with your Windows 10 and your Windows 11, so you don't need to download or install any app. So all you need to do is what? Click on the sniping tool. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you the sniping tool window. So what you need to do next is switch to that window where you want to grab a screenshot from. So let's say I want to grab a screenshot from my browser, so I need to switch to my browser just as you're seeing right now. So I'll click back on the sniping tool window. So you have some options here. So you have the mode option. So if you click on this drop down icon, so you have different options here. So the first option is a freeform snipe. And what does that mean? That means you need to, it enables you, draw around or trace that particular area you want to take a screenshot from. So let's see what the freeform snipe does. So I've clicked on it and is changing my cursor to the scissors icon. So what this helps us to do is to what? Draw around the objects we are trying to uh, grab. So as you can see, so once you're done, you click and you release your mouse button and it's going to take a screenshot or grab that particular image. So that's what the freeform snipe does. So let's say you want to take a rectangular snipe, you want it uniform. So let's select the rectangular snipe and we click on what? New. So once you click on new, it's going to change the icon to what? To the cross sign. So we click and we drag over whatever it is we are trying to take a screenshot of. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of the image and this text. You click and you drag and you release your mouse button when you're satisfied or okay with that. So right now it has taken the rectangular screenshot of the selected area we chose. Now another option is here which I find very important is, let's say you take a screenshot of an image and you're trying to highlight a particular area or make reference to a particular area. It has a pen tool. So down here, if you click on this drop down, you have the option of choosing the color of the pen. You can choose red, blue, black, and you can choose to what use a custom pen, or you can choose to what to customize. So here you can choose to select the kind of color of your choice, and thickness if you want it very thick. So I'm okay with the medium. And the tip, how do you want the tip of the pen to be? I always go forward round tip pen. So I'll select red as the color of the pen and click on what? Okay. So what this does is enable you to highlight a particular area. So let's say I want to highlight this image for reference purpose. I'll just click and what? Drag around this image before I save the image. So I can choose to say, okay, I want to highlight this. Hope you understand what I'm trying to do. So once you're done, and if you don't want to highlight or draw over your image or anything, you can just come to save snipe, and save your image directly. So once you come here, you click on what? Save snipe, and it's going to bring you to the save as window. Now you select the location where you want to save your image or your screenshot and you name it. So let's say new capture. And in the option here, the save as type, you can choose to save this as what's your PNG, your GIF, your JPEG file. So I'll choose JPEG and I'll click on what? Save. So let's go and check if this actually saves to my desktop. So I'll go to my desktop and here it is, new capture. So that's one of the ways you can, take screenshots on your Windows PC without the use of a third party software or application, because the sniping tool comes with your Windows 10 and Windows 11 already. You don't need to download it, except maybe for one reason or the other, you have a corrupt operating system and all that, but it's always going to be there for you to use. So that's one of the ways to take screenshots on your laptop PC. So the second way is also very easy. On your keyboard, you locate the print screen button. Now it is always denoted as the PRTSC on your keyboard. So you need to locate where the print screen button is on your keyboard. Most times it might be part of your function keys or under your alphabetical keys. Now, in my own case, is on my letter U button key on my keyboard. So to do that, you locate the function key on your keyboard as well, except if your print screen has its own button on its own on your keyboard. So for those who use the standard desktop keyboard, you don't need to press the function key. But for those who use the laptop, except if it's standing on it's standing on its own on the keyboard and it's not combined with any letter or alphabet. So if it's standing on its own, you just need to press only the button. Just press the print screen button only. But if you're on a laptop and you have the print screen, combined with a letter or any other alphabet, you have to locate the function key on your keyboard. You press it, you press the function key on your keyboard, and you press that particular key where you have print screen written on. So in my own case, I'm pressing the function key right now. Before that, let me switch to my browser because I'm trying to take the screenshot of this browser. So I press my function key, denoted as FN. Is always the function key is abbreviated as FN on your keyboard. So you press the FN button, and I'm pressing my print screen button. It's actually on my under my letter U alphabet button on my keyboard. So I'm pressing the FN and my print screen button. So once you press it, you won't see any notification or confirmation that you actually press the print screen button. And I think that's something Windows needs to fix, but it has actually copied your entire screen, or it has already taken the screenshot of your entire screen. So to view what you just grabbed or screenshot, you need any image editing application. So for me, most times I use the Photoshop. So what you need to do, if you're using a Photoshop or you're planning to edit it later, you can use your Photoshop. I always create a blank canvas like this. Then you paste. You can press your Ctrl V on your keyboard, or you come to edit and click on what? Paste. So as you can see, it just pasted the screenshot of my entire browser, as you can see. So from here, you can do whatever you want with the image. If you plan not to edit, you can always export it out in whatever format that you choose to. But if you plan to edit, you go ahead and edit. The only downside with the print screen method is you don't have that option of selecting the particular area you want to take a screenshot of. But using the sniping tool, you have that option to select that particular area. You have the freeform, you have the window snipe. If you choose to select the window snipe, that means it's going to take the screenshot of the entire screen. If I click on the window snipe right now, it's going to take the screenshot of the entire screen. So once I click on new and I click on the full screen snipe, is going to take the screenshot of the entire screen. So as you can see, it has done that already. So that's one of the advantage of using the sniping tool. So it gives you that option of selecting or a particular area. So each time you select a different mode, you click on what? New. You understand? So let's say I want to take a screenshot. All you need to do what? Click new, drag over it to take the screenshot, click on new, drag over this, click on new again. Let's see, I want to take the screenshot here, drag over it. So that's how it works basically. So please let me know in the comment section if you have been having issues, taking screenshots on your PC, and you have been having problems, it doesn't work, or you don't understand it. Leave it in the comment section. And if you have other ways, tips and tricks by which we can take screenshots on your laptop or PC without any third-party software or application, please leave it in the comment section. And if you love this kind of video, please hit the like button, like, share, subscribe, to show YouTube that this kind of video is very helpful to you. I'll see you in my next video.